So this video is really not for people that want to play small. It isn't.
No.
If your goal isn't to be making 6-7 figures a month, you don't need to really know any of those.
Welcome to a brand new masterclass that is rolling out today. This is the overview video, the intro video. I'm excited to be here with Veena Jetti. Veena,
I'm so excited. This is going to be so much fun.
Yes.
It's going to be so fun.
Now, guys, this is you're really in for a treat. This is going to be really, really exciting because we've mapped out a whole series of videos all around starting your first fund to raise money to do big real estate deals.
Yes.
And this is exciting. Veena, tell us why you are such an expert in this field.
Well, I've raised a little bit of capital here and there. So I have bought and sold over $1 billion probably by the time this releases.
Airs,
it'll be over $1 billion of multifamily assets across the country. And
with a B.
Yes, $1 billion with a B.
Billion with a B.
Yes, with a B.
I've never met someone more qualified to talk about this masterclass than you.
I love this topic.
Yeah.
So we're talking about raising capital. I told you that last night I was trying to think of how much capital I'd raised, and I fell asleep before I finished adding it up. But in the last 2.5, 3 years, we have raised over $200 million from the everyday investor. And I get asked all the time, how did you do it? And I'm like, well, I don't know. And so for your channel and your audience, I really wanted to put together something super special. I've never done this before with anybody else. And I wanted to put something special together to help your people understand how I did it. So, we spent a lot of time brainstorming and talking, going back and forth to kind of really get to the nitty gritty of how do we do it?
And this is not just like big picture, pie in the sky. We're
boring.
We're not going to be up in the clouds. We're actually going to get right down in the weeds.
Actionable steps.
In fact, Nick, your securities attorney, is here.
Yes.
He's going to be in some of these videos.
Yes.
An actual securities attorney to make sure we're heading. I mean, look at this list, you guys.
Attorney.
Why do I need to raise capital and why that we're going to be doing that video? Is it legal and how to stay legal and stay out of jail and do things right?
That's the most important one, maybe.
We're going to be talking about accredited, non-accredited and all of that. We're going to be talking about securities and what those are and the different regulations, structures, how we do funds and all the different things from like syndication and single asset, multi-asset, avatars, how you choose your investor avatar. There's a 4 steps to your first fund.
Yes.
That's going to be fun. Where to find investors, perfecting your elevator pitch, a credibility, offering memorandums, all the different fund models, how to the start to finish process and the timeline.
Yes.
So many and all kinds of other things.
Yes.
So we are really diving into, this isn't just, how do I go raise $25,000 for my fix and flip deal or whatever. This is actually how to put a fund together to go do large assets,
deals,
apartments and so on.
And we're breaking down the mindset. Of getting there quite a bit, actually.
And the biggest thing I want to kind of tease out right now before we launch into all these topics is if you're right now working on your first deal and you're thinking, you know what, I don't know that this applies to me. It absolutely does.
You're wrong. Yes.
Yeah. Why does this apply to you? If you're brand new working on the first deal, why does this topic still matter so much?
Because every business that wants to scale eventually has to know how to raise capital. And I don't mean just multifamily. I don't mean just real estate. I mean literally every single business. You need to know how to raise capital. You need to know how to do it the right way. And I'm really excited about this because there's so much information out there these days that it's hard to get the right information all the time. And that's why I'm really excited to have Nick here to come in and really teach us the legal way to do this, right? Like this is something I've had the experience of working with him over many, many, many years and many, many funds and hundreds of millions of dollars.
And he's sitting on standby through this entire masterclass. He's going to be here for every single video to make sure
so
that
we can refer to him as we need to confirm.
To make sure that we're saying the right things, that we're giving the right advice.
Right, because we want you guys to have the right information. This is stuff that you and I could have used years ago and wish we would have had someone tell us that. And so I'm excited to just dive right in and, we're not holding anything back.
No.
We're going to give everything.
I've been able to spend the past week with you here in Montana. We're doing, as of this recording, we've been doing community camp here with Pace Morby and Jamil Damji and a whole bunch of other really amazing people. And as I've gotten to spend time with you and be around you, you've helped me think so differently in a way that I hadn't been thinking about real estate. And we're going to use actually throughout this series, my own fund that I'm starting and working on and Nick is helping with in my Puerto Rico hotel deals I'm doing. So I can't wait to use my personal business as like a case study, a guinea pig.
Yeah, we're gonna,
as we go through this.
I'm excited about it because I want to get to know more about this fund, and I love the structure side, and I love thinking through how it can work and what will work. And I'm just so excited for you to like be able to do your first fund and also just have it all laid out. I wish I had that when I started.
You guys are really getting a special treat here because, I mean, again, Nick is here. Attorneys aren't cheap, especially securities attorneys, right? Because they're very specialized, they're very technical.
Not.
And so, be sure to leave a comment and say thank you for us bringing all of this to you for free on YouTube. Yeah. And you have things to do. You thank you, though.
This is amazing that you're doing this. I mean, what a gift you're giving the people that have invested time and energy to follow you. And it's obviously a testament to the quality that you bring to them.
I think there's a lot of people that maybe watch my channel and they're like in the side hustle phase.
I get it.
And that's fine.
That's a great place to be.
But whether you're at the side hustle or you want to do this as like your full-time thing, I don't think anybody goes into real estate thinking my end game is that it stays a side hustle.
Right.
Right. Or my end game is that I do one deal.
Right.
I think everybody here, at least everyone I've ever come in contact with, is thinking, man, I want to become financially free. I want to be wealthy. I want to have
generational wealth.
Yeah, I want to have the income and the lifestyle. I want to have impact. You know how many people I met here at community camp that their biggest objective was, I want to have impact?
Yeah, that's mine.
Yeah.
I mean, and I really want to dive deeper into the ILI. I want to dive into what that means, why we even both know about that. So I'm excited to talk about those things.
We'll talk about that a little bit too.
Yes.
But the reason why, again, if you're here on the channel and you're watching this series, you're going to go through this masterclass, and you're working on your first deal and you feel like this doesn't apply, you are going to get so much value, mindset shifts. You're going to have some major mindset changes throughout this series. You can't watch what we're going to be talking about and not have giant epiphanies all the way through this.
Yeah, I mean, because this is really, it's life-changing if you think about it. Like learning how to raise capital and doing it the right way, that will change your life. It will change your business. So this video is really not for people that want to play small. It isn't.
No.
If you have the mindset that you want to just, be an employee, and there's nothing wrong with that. But if that's your mindset and you're not really trying to make serious money, like if your goal isn't to be making 6-7 figures a month, you don't need to really know any of this. You can do 10, 20 grand just by yourself. You don't need to scale a business. You don't need to raise capital for that. But if you want to be making like real money, like Montana lake house with these views kind of money, you need to learn how to raise capital, and you can be doing that when you get to scale faster.
Yeah, it is perhaps the most important skill you could learn in real estate.
I think so.
Is capital.
Or in any business, really.
Any business, really.
Yeah. It's a very transferable
And you can
skill
look at the people who are the most successful. How did they get there? They knew how to leverage capital along the way.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And I mean, I would really love to share just personal experiences that I've had over the course of my career. And I want to share that with everybody as we dive into these videos.
Yeah. I've heard some stories where, your first fund you did, you cried for 6 weeks. Every night you cried for 6 weeks.
I'm going to break it all down in one of these videos for everybody.
So don't feel intimidated. You can do this. And this is going to be life-changing information. Welcome to our masterclass. Veena Jetti, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Guys, stay tuned because video 1
is about
this is our overview. Video 1 is going to be, we're going to really do a deep dive into why you need to start a fund in your real estate business and why that's so important. Stay tuned, guys. We appreciate you, and we'll see you on the next video.